YouTube, what's good?
What's
Back.
poppin'?
We back. Another $200 raw. We're gonna hit up Dog House Megaways. Let's see if we can get this max win for y'all.
Hopefully, when this video comes out, we will be much happier than the last few videos. Shit's getting kind of rough over here. And to some of y'all who watch bigger people, 200 might not seem like a lot, but for us normal people doing this consistently starts taking a toll. But we doing it for y'all to push out the content.
Yeah, it's been kind of rough. But then we've been losing, so
Yeah.
it's gonna be different this time. Hope so, at least. So let's go ahead and get it revving for the people, man. Let's get it. Let's get this.
All right, we're gonna start off with a 200.
What it?
Anyone who hasn't played this slot, there's two options: sticky and raining. Sticky's rough, but raining can also be rough. But if you get 4 scatters, the sticky goes from 7 spins to 12 spins. So if we get 4 scatters, we'll be picking sticky. But let's go raining first. So this one basically just drops down houses and like this. Keep going. Keep going. Ah. And then these houses disappear on the next spin. But you want to get them in the connected in the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th.
Let us eat. Let us eat.
And you want any of the dogs: blue dog, pink dog, pug. Houses?
It's looking
Houses?
a little rough.
More? 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 Wow.
Man,
Please don't do this. Not on the first buy.
the first
Wow. Wow. I don't know. I haven't met 2 people. Y'all viewers can determine whether or not, but we have the worst luck on the first buys of our videos. Oh my goodness. I'm not up in the buy till we get above $10. You wanna do sticky this time, or do you think rain and no pay now? Okay.
7 spins might be different. Man. Might get some tumbles.
Oh. Need more houses.
Damn, that's light.
Wow. That don't do nothing for nobody.
Wow.
That was...
It's hard.
Go ahead and yank into some spins. We've been spinning into bonuses pretty consistently. Usually. Apparently it's in eat mode today. Oh, it was $11 hit. Why wasn't it nice? I ain't running to 40 till we make profit. Only 3 again. Back to raining. Should probably just alternate now.
So down in the comments, just let us know what y'all think about the slides we're doing. Should we be doing something different?
Let us know
Just
what
in
y'all want us to
general.
improve on too.
Just let us know what y'all think about the slide.
I know the.
Some of you
Go ahead, man. Fish your thought.
tell us some of your success stories, some of your biggest failures. You know what I mean? Small accounts, it's gonna be common. So
Also, we know we don't have the top tier video and audio quality, but we got what we got, and hopefully, you know, in the future we can upgrade for y'all. What is happening right now?
bro, doing that dirty. Yeah, man. Straight dirty.
I mean, okay. 320s ain't paid, so might as well up it now.
That's what I did on Gates. Was it Gates? Or was it Hop Drop?
I don't know.
Can't remember.
If y'all don't know, you're guaranteed the second and third reels. That's good. Now we need a multi on the second one. This could pay. It can't be a wild. Good. If we get the fourth one, we have potential. Give us the fourth one. No, you can't do that. No. We got one spin. If we get blue dogs or pink dogs. Nope. Dang it. We just didn't have enough spins with it. That was a good setup.
Gonna run it back.
Maybe. Just some spins. Yes, sir! Oh, it's only a 40! I didn't up it!
Dang.
I forgot to up the price. I mean, we still spun in, though, so...
All good.
It's free, basically. Instead of buying it for 40. If this pays back 40, I'll be ecstatic. Oh my god.
They're being stingy.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Something big! Something big! This is huge. This is huge. How much? Oh my god! Oh my god!
Damn! Damn! That's what I'm talking about, baby. It's gonna give us some more.
Keep going!
Bro. Bro. Come on. Run that up. Run that up.
Yes, keep going. More. Oh, don't tease me. Stop teasing.
Run that up.
This is exactly what we needed, y'all. This is called the get back. Come on. Don't stinge now. You were just juicing. Oh, it's dead.
Hey. They really did that there. They won't let us get no more.
It's fine, man. That's our $40 equivalent. And we spun into it.
Yeah, that's wild.
Let's go.
That's wild. We did that for y'all, man.
Might as well finish these spins. This is the kind of hit we need. That's officially our biggest win on the channel so far. 220. 420.
I think we should do a $20 buy and then walk away.
I mean, we gotta push out some content.
So it's a double up, man. We gotta show the people it's a double up.
Push out some
I wanna
content.
give y'all good content, but also don't want to show y'all us giving it back to them. You know what I mean? So
We got 430. We can afford to do. No, you know what? We gotta. When we're up, we can afford to do bigger buys. So this video might be a little shorter, but regardless, if this pays 0x, we're walking away with 370. We need a good profit video, but this 60's for y'all.
I ain't mad at it.
Okay,
Got a 3x off the hits.
let's go. This is what we needed, y'all. I am hyped. I didn't expect Dog House Megaways to do it either. I never seen that before.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Dog House ain't been too bad to me personally, though. So.
No, not to you. That was a lot of 10s. We just didn't have any multis. Uh-oh. It paid us, not went into break the bank mode. It didn't even give no houses. That's wild. Go. Jax all the way.
It's tough.
Alright, man. At least it didn't 0x us. Alright, y'all. This is a little shorter video than usual, but we're not used to winning. So, we ain't gonna chase no losses. We up.
We up.
This has
Sometimes
been
that's
great.
just what you gotta do. Learn when to walk away. You gotta double up. We should have just walked away with that, but sometimes you gotta push the limits to get lucky. So.
We ain't
It's
gonna
all
walk
about
away
your risk
either for
tolerance.
y'all. It's content. If we ever get a big win, we'll do a fat buy for y'all.
Yeah, maybe $100 more, $200 if we can get it that far.
But this is great, and hopefully this starts, new trend. Our first videos were cool, but hopefully it starts setting a trend in the right direction for the future.
Yeah, that was a good roll. Good roll right there.
Alright, y'all. Gamble safe, gamble responsibly.
But alright, people, it's been real. You know what I mean?
Alright, y'all. Till next time.